DSWD nga sign. Mga kakamot. DSWD sign. Anyong sa'yo sign. Heart to heart. Korean hearts. Love the Philippines. Heart to heart. Nadughan. Kalaman na yan gusto na palakpakan. And congratulations. Our payout will now start. This is again the cash assistance and the lives distribution program payout here in the municipality of Apuyo for beneficiaries coming from Apuyo, Mahaplat, and Javier. Again, our thanks to President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., Honorable Martin Romualdez,